Hey everyone, great to see you again. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a platform that allows you to generate realistic talking avatars from both images and videos. For example, take a look at these 3 avatars. The lip sync and body movements are completely natural and perfect.
Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm a realistic AI avatar, and you can bring me into your videos to make them even more engaging. I'm Topview product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview product avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Want to 10x your gaming skills? Bet. I went from bronze to diamond in weeks, no cap. Increase my streaming quality 3x with 0 lag. Just plug and play, fam. No tech skills needed. This ASUS ROG Strix G16, it's got the RTX 4060 plus an Intel i7-1365 POHX. Sheesh, that's power. Liquid metal cooling, no overheating, even on max settings. 3 fans keep it icy even during marathon streams. 165Hz display, butter smooth, 100% sRGB, validated, 90 days of Xbox Game Pass for free. Let's go. Seriously, what are you waiting for? Click the link, level up your game now, you deserve it. For real.
And if you're wondering about image-to-video talking avatars, just take a look.
If you have ever struggled with editing videos manually, spending hours cutting clips, adjusting effects, and fine-tuning transitions, then Topview AI might just change the game for you. This AI-powered tool helps automate video editing, making the process smoother, faster, and more efficient.
Alright, now let's talk about some mind-blowing use cases of Topview AI. Trust me, you'll want to know about these. First up, avatar marketing videos. This tool lets you create UGC-style product videos in seconds. Whether it's for your own product or for brand deals, you can use these videos to promote on social media and even make money by creating content for others. Then, we have AI video avatars, and this is a game changer. You can use it to become a social media influencer, create YouTube content, and save hours of editing time while still looking completely natural and realistic on camera. Next, product avatars. This tool helps you create engaging product videos to boost sales. The best part? You don't need to spend big money on ads because authentic, UGC-style videos actually work better than polished, corporate-looking ads these days. Moving on, we have Product AnyShoot, a super cool feature that lets you put your product on any model. If you sell fashion or apparel, this means you don't need to hire real models anymore. You can create high-quality promotional videos using AI. Then there's AI Photo Avatar, which lets you turn still images into talking videos, an amazing tool for content creators. We also have AI Text-to-Speech, which converts text into speech in multiple languages, making it perfect for reaching international audiences. And finally, Real-Time Chat Avatar. This one's coming soon, and I can't wait to test it out when it launches. Alright, now let's see how this tool works and how you can use it. First, visit topview.ai. The link is in the description. Once you're there, click on Dashboard, and you'll see all the AI tools available. Let's start by trying out Avatar Marketing Video. Click on it, and first, you need to select an avatar. You can also create your own AI avatar by uploading a sample video. But if you don't want to do that, there are plenty of pre-made avatars available that look very realistic. So, let's select this one and click Confirm. After that, you'll see the workspace, where you can generate videos simply by pasting a link. Some platforms, like Amazon and Shopify, are already integrated. If you don't want to use a link, you can also upload images and video clips manually. Now, let's generate a video using a product link. I'll go to Amazon, copy the link of a product, and paste it into the Enter Link section. Then, click on Import from Link, and AI will start analyzing the product. Once it's done, all the related images and videos will appear on the screen. Before generating the final video, you can adjust the video orientation, select a different language, change the voice, or even clone your own voice. You can also switch the avatar model or write and use your own script if you prefer. Once all the clips and images are loaded, you can remove any unnecessary ones to speed up the video generation process. If a clip is too long or not relevant, you can simply uncheck it. After that, click Confirm, and the AI will start processing everything. This might take a few moments. Once it's done, click Generate, and your video will start rendering. Now the video is ready. Let's play it and check how it looks.
Tired of potato audio ruining your clutch moments? Ooh, fresh box smell. This is the Razer Black Shark V2X in white. 7.1 surround sound? I hear everything. No more sneaky footsteps, period. The Triforce drivers deliver crisp highs and booming lows. Seriously, a game changer. My roommate vacuuming didn't hear a thing. This noise cancellation is legit. 240G, it's like wearing a cloud. My ears. Thank you, Razer. The mic is bendable and my teammates actually understand me now. Huge W. PC, PS5, switch this headset works on everything. So versatile. Razer is the #1 selling PC gaming brand. They know what they're doing, trust. Seriously, upgrade your audio now. Link in bio. Don't be a noob, get yours.
You can also download it from here. After that, click on Profile and go back to the dashboard. Next, let's try the video avatar feature. After clicking on it, the first step is to select an AI avatar. I think this one looks good, so let's go with it. Once you've selected the avatar, you'll need to paste your script here. If you have an audio file, you can also upload it instead. Now, just click Generate, select the video quality, and then hit Export, and that's it. The video generation will start. Once the video is ready, I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, the video is ready. Now, let's play it and see how it looks.
Hey everyone, video avatars in Topview AI look super realistic. You should definitely give it a try.
These talking avatars are honestly amazing. They have huge potential in the content creation and businesses. Alright, now let's move on to the next AI tool, Product Avatar. Let's try it out. Here's an awesome collection of realistic-looking avatars. You can pick the one that fits your product or brand perfectly. For example, let's go with this one. Once you've selected an avatar, click Replace with My Product Images and upload your product. Let's say we're working with this chips packet, so we'll upload it. The AI will automatically remove the background for you. Now that the background is gone, it's time to position your product correctly, just like I'm doing. Next, click Confirm Product Position, and the tool will generate 3 sample variants for you. Here are the 3 variants, all from a top view perspective. They look great, but this one right here? It's the best. You can also switch between light mode and pro mode for more customization. And let's say instead of a chips packet, you want a mug, no problem. The avatar can hold it, and you can create a video in seconds. Simply click the image option, upload your product image, adjust its position, and confirm. Then, pick the best result and hit Image to Video. Now, just wait a few seconds, and your animated product video will be ready. Plus, you'll get an option to add your own script to the video. Alright guys, our video is ready, let's play it.
I'm Topview Product Avatar, I can hold your
If you want to add your own script, just click Use My Script, paste it in, select an avatar, and hit Generate. Finally, choose your resolution, click Export, and you're done. And that's it, everyone. In just a few seconds, your animated product video is ready.
the magical mug, where every sip unlocks a spark of enchantment. Watch as lightning dances around its surface.
Looks pretty amazing, right? Now you know exactly how to use this tool. Alright, next, we're going to try Product Any Shoot. This one's my favorite, and trust me, it's absolutely amazing. In this tool, you need to upload an image of your product. For example, let's say this dress is our product, so we'll upload it. The AI will automatically detect and select the dress for us. Next, we need to upload a model's picture, the one we want to dress in this outfit. There are plenty of model templates available here, or you can even upload your own model's image. Simply click on the Replace button and upload your model. After that, use the brush tool to draw a rough mask over the dress area on the model's body. The more precise your mask, the better the results will be. I'm drawing a quick rough mask, but even with this, the results will be pretty good. Once the mask is ready, click Generate, and the dress replacement process will start. While that's happening, let's select another model from the public templates and apply the dress in the same way. Select the model, draw the mask, and click Generate. Now, both images have been generated. You can see that the dress we uploaded as a product fits perfectly on both models. But wait, there's more. The real magic is still left. Now, we can convert this image into a video. Simply click on Image to Video, then choose between Standard or Professional mode. For the best results, I recommend Professional mode. You can generate a 5-second or 10-second video, and you also get AI-generated animation prompts here. You can either use these prompts or add your own custom prompt. Once everything is set, click Image to Video, and the video generation will start. The best part? It's super fast. It literally takes just a few seconds. Alright, the video is ready. Let me play it and show you how it looks. See? How cool is that? This tool is incredibly useful for businesses. You can create professional-level promotional videos in no time. Alright. The next tool we're going to try is Photo Avatar. Here, you just need to upload your avatar image, paste your script, and click Generate. Within seconds, your photo avatar will be ready.
Introducing the magical mug, where every sip unlocks a spark of enchantment.
Next, we have AI image creation, but I'm skipping that one. You can try it if you want. Now, the last tool we're going to test is the AI voice generator, and this one is amazing. I mean, the voice models here sound incredibly natural and human-like. It's super easy to use, just paste your script, select a voice, and you're good to go. You'll find voices in various languages, including Hindi, Arabic, and many more. You can even use filters to categorize the voices. But here's the best part. When you select UGC in the style options, you'll get some of the most realistic voices because they're cloned from real models. You have to try them. Let me play a few for you.
Welcome to Topview AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform.
Welcome to Topview AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes
Pricing. Now let's talk pricing. It's super affordable. You even get free credits to try it out. For just $9.90, you get 600 credits, which is a lot considering the price. I only had 150 credits, and I was able to explore the platform, understand it, and even create this video explaining the tool and its features. And guess what? I still have 84 credits left. You should definitely give it a try. If you find it useful, you can consider purchasing it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. See you in the next one.